parrots. Mia, you were talking so much. It'd be so cool if you talked when we're in here. Siren doesn't really talk unless we're in here. Siren! Mia! I heard you going today. Can you show them what you were doing? Can you do that? Siren, would you like a sunflower seed? Hello, Siren. Come here. Would you like to step up? What the heck? Do you want this? Do you want? Okay. Can you step up? Oh. Can you step? I think she's afraid of the phone on her wrist. Hello, macaws. Happy National Bird Day. Siren, come here. I want. Hello. Can you step up? What the heck? Hi, can you come here? All right, come over here then. Come here. We'll do it over here. One of Siren's favorite things to do is show off her tricks, okay? Because she loves sunflower seeds and she gets sunflower seeds when she does them. So, trick number 1, if I can get this frickin' thing on. Oh my gosh. Trick number 1 is, over here, come over here. Is she can say hello. Hello. Very nice. Trick number 2, sometimes she can say hi, but sometimes she just says hello anyway. Can you say hi? Pardon? Can you say hi? Can you say hello? Is that funny? What is so funny? Can you say hello? Hello. Hello. Okay. Good. Siren can also sing. She can sing happy birthday. Can you sing happy birthday? Happy birthday! Yeah! That was Indiana Jones! They've been doing Indiana Jones out of nowhere, like just in the past, I don't know, a couple months even, but I don't think anyone's been playing that for them. Hello. Hello. Hello, birdie. Can you whistle? That was good. I'm not a very good whistler. Siren, can you show them something else? Can you spin? Can you spin? Oh. Well, can you spin? Oh. Sorry. Can you spin? Is it because you're on a ledge? Can you spin? She's scared of, I think, spinning all the way around. If you step up, I can help you spin. You want to spin up here? There, how about there, because it's flat. Can you spin? Can you spin? There she is! Good job! Oh, can you rewind? Good job. All right, there's Siren. Happy National Bird Day! Birthday! 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 Closing this. Tico and Miley. I don't have anything to give them because. What? What's the problem? Tico and Miley have been learning how to fly, which is pretty cool. but I don't do very much work with them. They're very complicated birds. And they bite. A lot of people think these parrots are really cool because they're really beautiful, but also can be super, super dangerous. One of these blue and gold macaws, Tico's a blue and gold macaw. There was one in Florida at a restaurant and it ate a child's finger off. It like flew down to the table. It was at a restaurant and on a perch, because there's like a parrot-themed restaurant or pirate-themed or something stupid. Flew down and took the kid's finger off and ate it. But they can break fingers. They can chew through wood up there. This platform, you see this one? What is it, 2x2 or something? That platform up there was the same, but they chew it off. All of the wood that they have is, or almost all the wood they have is manzanita, because it's like a super, super hard wood. Otherwise they chew through it. Also, up there, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but that's a decibel reader. We put that up there just to see if you guys could keep track of how loud these birds are. And the first day we put it out, they maxed it out at 130 decibels. 130 is, I think it's just below the threshold for pain. It might be at the threshold for pain, but it is definitely above the threshold for hearing loss from prolonged exposure. So really loud, like really, really loud. So also they could live like 70 years. So they're just really, really hard to have as pets. Siren 2. Siren can live 50 to 60 years. She's a blue-fronted Amazon. Also can chew through wood. Also can scream as loud as 130 decibels, if not more. And she bites. She's bit a lot of people. Isn't that right, Siren? Is it funny? Yeah, you have. I know. You have. You like biting. Is there a goat in a wheelbarrow? Vito? Okay. Whatever. Gotta let them do what they want sometimes, you know? Oh my God, walking uphill is so... I'm not having a good time.